What's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing the new camera that I got, the Canon M50 Mark II. I just got this in the mail today and I thought I'd unbox it for you guys as I mentioned in my previous video, and it is finally here and I am very excited to open it. So let's get right to the unboxing. Oh, it's hard to open. Okay. There we go. Gotta cut carefully. Hopefully I don't damage the camera. There we go. Okay, bunch of bubble wrap to make sure that it arrives safely. And here we got the camera. Ooh. When I first carried the package, it was super light, and I guess because it's a mirrorless camera, but nothing else in the box. And yep. Here we got the Canon M50 Mark II. Wow. Comes with the kit lens, 15 to 45 millimeter. Here's what it comes with. The body, the 15 or 45 millimeter zoom lens, a strap, battery charger, and battery pack. .1 megapixels, 4K, dual pixel autofocus, APS-C, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth compatible. I got this off Best Buy and I kept on checking it because it was out of stock, and I was about to purchase it, but then it went out of stock again when they restocked, and then I had to keep on refreshing the page until they finally restocked, and I grabbed it. All right, let's open this carefully. All right, first off, comes with some paperwork. Probably like a user manual. I'll read that later. Then got the camera strap. Got the battery charger. I believe this is the lens. Yep. Wow, it's much smaller than I thought. Put that there. And we got the camera body. And here's the battery pack. Nothing else. Here's the camera body. Ooh. Wow. Wow, this thing is pretty small, but it's really nice. Wow. Ooh. Wow. And it has the nice flip out touchscreen, which is helpful So now we're getting a good shot. It's always nice. You can turn it too. Wow, this is nice. Let's open the lens. So this is my first interchangeable lens camera. I had a point and shoot that I used a while ago, but nothing with the interchangeable lens, so I'm really excited to use this for my future videos. Hopefully the quality is noticeably better than what I've been filming on, which is my iPhone, but that worked pretty well. But excited to make this upgrade to a camera. I'll put a little bit of B-roll of some shots with this camera now. Hopefully the quality looks a lot better than what it was before, but it may take me a while to get more accessories for the camera and to make sure that the quality is at its best. So just be patient, and the quality of the videos will hopefully be better as I continue to test it out and get more experience with this camera. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and yeah, that does it for the unboxing. I will see you guys in the next one.